Okay, we're gonna get right into the video and right into installing this wig. Now, this wig is a T-part wig that I purchased on Amazon. I think I paid $125 or something like that. But in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and use 3 layers of the Ghost Bond glue. We're gonna let that air dry before we start to lay the lace down. Okay, always let it air dry first. You don't really want to put it on when it's still white, because I feel like that just doesn't really work well for me. Okay, so after I lay it down, and I'm just going to use the back of my comb and just press it in a little bit. Try to avoid using your fingers, especially if you have product on there, something like that, because you don't want any product to be building up on the lace that you're trying to lay down. Okay, so after I finish laying that down, I'm just going to go ahead and use the my elastic band and put that on there, and then blow dry it for a couple seconds, maybe like a minute or so. I think I blow dry for like 5 minutes. I lied. I'm gonna blow dry for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back when I start to cut off the lace. Okay, now we're gonna cut off the lace. I would normally use a razor, like an eyebrow razor, but I just could not find one now. But when I'm using the scissor, I try to use the tip of the scissor and go in like a zigzaggy motion so it's not too straight. Okay, I want to give it like a jagged look as much as I can. Again, it's a T-part wig, but come on now, we can make it work, and we're gonna make it work. As you guys could see, or y'all seen from like the little clip at the beginning of the video, yeah, I did that. So just watch and see how I did it. Okay, so right here, I'm just going, I took out the baby hairs, and I'm just going in to kind of pluck out as much as I can without having the tracks showing. I didn't pluck too much from the ear area because I didn't really feel the need to. It being the middle part, it was not going to show that much. By my ears was really not going to show unless I tucked the hair behind it, which I was not going to do. So the most important baby hairs to me was the 2 up front, and I really didn't worry too much about the track showing, so that's why I took out as much hair as I did. But I'm gonna keep going in back and forth to pluck and pluck and pluck and pluck and pluck to get it as natural looking as possible. I wanted to get it to, you know, look like something. I don't want it to look like wiggy. Okay, so here I'm just going to use my hot comb and just press down the baby hairs that I did take out. And I believe I am going to spray a little bit of the Eben spray just in the areas that I took out the baby hair. I'm going to put my elastic band back on, and then I'll be right back. Back again, plucking these baby hairs. Okay, I was not playing about plucking the baby hair. I wanted to give it the most natural look possible to make sure I give it that frontal illusion, even though it's just a T part. Now when I cut my baby hairs, I try to cut it at an angle, and in this specific video I did cut them shorter than I normally would cut them, because I didn't want to give it like a too dramatic look, because I knew the baby hairs by the ear were not really going to show. Again, now what I use to style my baby hair is mousse. I just use a little bit of mousse on the tip of the comb and just spread it out. I don't try to use got to be or a lot of spray, because it's going to make it really, really stiff, and I don't like that. So I feel like the mousse is the best option for me. So once I finish putting the styling the baby hairs, I'm going to put the elastic band back on, and I'm going to go into layering and framing my face to start curling. All right, here I'm going to start to add some layers, but only to the front of the hair because I only want to frame the front of the hair so it could fit my face. So this is basically face framing. Normally, a lot of people will put like layers throughout the hair, but I didn't want too much going on. I really just wanted the attention to go straight to the face as it should. Okay, so when I do my layers, I try to just keep it at an angle going straight down. Like when you use scissors, you're gonna get a more precise cut, but if you want like a more jagged cut, I would say you should use a razor comb. So after this, I'm just gonna stop talking and you guys could just watch me curl and style the hair. I might come back and chat with y'all a little bit towards the end, but yeah, just enjoy. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Curls brushed out and everything. Give you guys a little close up. I ate down, okay? Ate this hairstyle down. I was a little scared and skeptical because I've never done a T-part wig before, but I absolutely loved how it came out. If you guys want the information on this wig, it's going to be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. All right, thank you. Bye.